Alright,
Katana?
I need you to back up into this room and I'll be able to heal you. Get over here.
Where's the katana?
Oh, well, like,
Got it.
black and white. You're in black and white. I'm like, hey, I'll heal you. Just back up into this room.
But like, no, I want the katana.
Can you hold
Take
still? I
no-
want to see how this looks. Holy crap, that looks awesome. That
Going
looks...
inside him.
Shut up. We're going the wrong way, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Why are there this many zombies here?
Because it's an airport.
Okay, everybody ready? Everybody ready to make the
Wait.
jump?
Oh, crap, that's right. Is
James.
James here?
What are you doing?
He's probably looking for Stoof.
I got lost.
Oh.
I know there's a way to get through this without actually setting it off.
Are we all ready? Can I have a yes? Or fucking what? Or fuck
No,
this.
we just knew you were just gonna make him go anyway, so we probably said anything.
Oh, fuck. Oh no, why is it? What the fuck did you come from?
Came from behind.
They came from the desert.
They came from
Why am I
the
stuck?
other planet.
From
Nice
Grunt.
to
Wow, this is not working at all.
No, it isn't, team. Into the bathroom because there's a health kit. Must grab. Or not. Everything I said was a lie.
Like always.
Yep. But I mean,
Wrong
it's more of a-
bathroom?
Because this one actually had a chance to be right.
Maybe not.
Someone boomer vial.
Oh no, fuck off.
Okay.
Dude, don't-
Down to 9 health. Screw the sword.
Chainsaw time, motherfuckers. Let's go, bitches! Carving a path!
Ah, shit, smoker.
Oh no. What the heck? How did that thing get you from there?
Help me out or not, okay.
It's a really bad angle.
Guys, guys!
I'm shooting him. And Megaion shooting me.
Once again, locked the throat.
Sure did.
Cover me.
Many! This is so dumb!
This is ridiculous. What the heck?
Oh, dude, I have 19 health.
I've got 3.
Well,
I
even
have
if you
21.
died, I have a defib.
This is true.
Guys, we got beer to the left! We'll be saved!
Oh,
my
shit.
God.
Come on!
Boomer vial somewhere, guys, there's boomer vial.
Oh, I went down from nothing. Oh, never mind. They're behind me.
James, no. Yes, I can get it. No, never mind. Fucking zombie!
Come on, reload, 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 reload.
No.
Oh, I wish I had dual pistols right now.
Oh, why? Why are there
Oh, crap.
so many? This is gay!
It's getting dark.
Screw you, zombie. I just got up.
Alright, guys, fucking gun it.
Safe zone. No, come on, man.
Oh no, jockey, 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 jockey!
The
jockey!
safe room was on the map. It's somewhere
No.
nearby.
No! James, get me up, get me up.
Shoot. They're behind you again. Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Behind you again.
Oh no, they're all rushing you guys!
They sure are. Oh, I'm dead. Run, Megaion. No, maybe not.
Everybody run.
I have a katana, remember?
This is true. I think I'm gonna be black and white. Yeah, okay.
Any zombies come, I'm gonna fucking
The safe freaking room was right here. I am mad.
Wow. That's
It makes me mad.
You should heal up.
Sorry, Grunt.
Oh no, I'm fine. Fucking, that was gay though.
Oh, yeah. Yes, that was.
It makes me mad.
Most melee kills. I wonder why.
Now I spawn with the Uzi, that's fucking gay. Oh, it's an M16 though, so it's all good. I got my gun back. Ooh, a katana.
Yep.
Hey Zoe.
Okay.
I have my katana. All good.
Ooh.
Alright, let's see how far I can get with 2 health.
Ooh, help.
I'm sorry, 1 health.
Oh, there you go. Wait, we have to read the safe room stuff.
Okay.
There's nothing here.
Well, that was
No,
easy.
no, we got rest in peace mashed in 3/22/ I can't.
Hey,
Are
Grunt, I've
you
only
wearing
got
a
one
face
question
mask?
for you.
As a precaution against infection, please put on a face mask before entering the plane.
Are
Alright,
you
guys,
wearing
fuck.
a face mask?
Fuck. Oh, guys, watch this plane. This plane's so MLG pro. MLG!
It's so MLG that it gives off rainbows.
I'm gonna go back and hide in the safe room.
Oh,
Yeah, me too.
thing.
Can we call the thing and hide in the safe room?
Yeah, we have to call the radio.
Okay.
We should try that though.
I know, yeah, I've never done that before.
Because I mean, it is a long pathway.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys try that. We'll stay here and see if that works.
Okay.
Coming from the one that didn't survive last time.
Oh my god.
What?
Freaking zombies, man.
Here, I'll try and pick some off from up top
Just like
then.
get it this time.
Reloading.
You look like crap too, Zoe.
Might need these.
Oh no, she's hot on my screen.
On my end.
We got weapons
Alright.
over here.
Alright, team. Since they're not gonna come over here, might as well grab these health kits.
Yeah.
Ammo
Oh,
here.
Here, I've got
sons of
Boomer
fucking
Bile.
bitches.
Wait, how many health kits are there?
There's 4.
There's 2 left though.
Pills here.
So I should just heal myself, run over there and grab another one.
We got weapons over here.
Seems like,
Yeah.
you know,
Is
that's
the AK better or is this thing better?
What?
This thing. This
M16.
is.
There we go, because now I can run.
M16 8th. There.
So-
Although I don't think
so
that'll
what-
work,
what
because
I
don't
have
we have
now?
to kind of go to the plane?
M16 is a lot better.
Okay.
Because that other gun is 3 shoppers. Oh, it's your defib.
Yeah,
Where's
I
the
dropped-
Oh,
health at?
First aid kit here.
Alright. Everybody ready to run?
Wait,
No.
I want to see if we can even get back in the safe room once we fall down.
That's a good point,
I
yeah.
don't think we can. Nope.
Oh.
Oh.
We can't jump on this thing? No, we can't. They thought this out. So, we freaking came down here and shouldn't have.
Oh no, guys, we can hide in here.
Ooh.
Pills here.
Oh. Oh my god, they just came from the safe room.
Oh my.
Oh, what the fuck?
There's another katana.
I already got myself one. Look at this one zombie. She's drunk. Was drunk.
Reloading.
Isn't Cinder? Oh no, it's fucking. I'm blind. So, guys, what we could do is, since there's a turret here, one of us could just stay on the turret and keep it out guard.
Ow,
Oh,
stop
wow,
it.
there's katanas everywhere. We could all have a katana.
Just like last time.
Yeah.
Guys, come over here. We could hide the fuck over here. Look at this.
This game's fall damage is so stupid.
Almost as stupid as Skyrim.
I could freaking jump that and be fine. I'm so tired of this game.
Good, because I kind of want to get off after this.
I know, right?
Me and my friends are gonna go be nerds and play some Dungeons and Dragons.
Oh my god.
Alright, ready? Hope you are.
Where were we even hiding at? I don't even remember.
Yep.
Come on, man, use your first
Over
aid
here.
kit.
Dang, I didn't get ammo. Well, that's okay. I got the katana.
Oh yeah. Me and my friends are gonna go be nerds and play some Dungeons and Dragons.
Oh, you're gonna be cool. Only the cool kids play Dungeons and Dragons in the Call of Duties.
Oh, I don't play Call of Duty. That shit is stupid.
You can't even. Hey, team, you're fucked. Oh my god, there was a hunter and a fucking shark. Oh my.
Oh, this is gonna work.
Totally. There's a jockey somewhere. Spitter. Somewhere over there. Shoot down there and hope you hit it.
What the heck is with the special infected in this game?
They all go after you.
I know, dude. Like Francis.
There's a boomer right on the other side of me too. I've got 1 health hobble.
Atop you!
Cover me.
It fucking just climbed up there and it's still there.
Crap.
Boomer.
There we go.
Got the spitter.
How long is this gonna take?
Quite a while.
5,000 years in ancient Egypt.
Why does it like take so long for this guy to fucking fuel up?
Reloading.
The question is, why does it make so much noise to attract all these zombies?
What is that?
It's not even like that's a charger. Where's it going now?
Reloading.
It's right over there.
God damn. Fucking reload.
Oh!
Oh, smoker.
Oh no, smoker!
Got him.
Oh, dude. I'm
Tank.
Where?
somewhere. Oh, it's right at the fucking plane! Guys, get the fuck out of here. I love them, like, let's get the fuck out of here. You guys are staying there. I'll come and help.
Oh. Whoa, that's fantastic. It wants me.
No,
Oh, come on, man.
He's
Die!
almost dead.
I hope it is. Oh,
Can
it's
we
dead,
get-
it's dead, it's dead, it's dead.
Alright, come on.
Get him up, team. Oh, spitter. I'm almost out of ammo.
What is that?
There's another one. Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Fine.
You'll be okay. I'm healing.
Where's the ammo?
Oh no. Pills time.
Oh no, smoker!
No, Grunt.
It didn't even make sense!
It
What
made
the
perfect
fuck?
sense.
If you have boomer bile, throw it somewhere else.
Yeah. Boomerbile. Okay.
Team.
What? Right. I thought you were just, yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Ooh, I ended up with a defib. When did that happen?
Don't question it.
Oh, that was the thing I picked up. I thought that was something else. Pain pills or something. He said it. He said it. This whole thing was worth it now. Lewis said the line.
Shit. Yeah, parents are home now.
That's fine. We should have this. We've been lasting pretty while.
Ah,
Or not.
someone, get
What the heck?
No.
Fuck you, bitch.
Ow.
Why is it done? Be fueled up.
James.
What?
Fuck this, I'm throwing that boomer bile.
Shoot! I freaking hit the wrong button and I used them instead of giving them to you. Boomer!
Where?
Okay, I got it. It was right behind you.
Yeah.
Hey, Grunt, you should use your med kit or pain pills.
Yeah, you know what? Good fucking plan. There's a smoker over by that other plane. Where I'm gonna shoot now. Over there.
Alright, I'll
Watch.
keep an eye on.
I probably should not have this defib.
Oh, he's after me now! God damn it!
I'm busy, sorry.
Where's...
James! James!
What?
You're
Oh.
fucking...
What the heck? Oh, gotcha.
I'm the smart one taking the high ground.
Yeah, thanks for helping out a teammate, man.
I couldn't see this fighting.
Tank.
Pick up my glasses.
Yeah, there fucking is.
Jockey.
Where's ammo?
Oh, he got me, he got me, he got me.
Dude, he just jumped up there.
He really did. He super jumped, actually.
Where's the tank?
I don't know. It sounds like it's right by us. Oh, it is right by us.
Grab the ammo and fucking run. Oh no, run.
He's after me.
Oh my
No, no,
god.
no, that's-
Wow.
Die, 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 die! Holy shit!
Yeah.
Crap. He's backtracking to me.
Oh god. Okay, I can get you up the game.
Oh god, I'm lagging.
Thanks.
Okay. Where's he going?
Back it up and rush.
Jack-
Oh, run,
He's like
run.
moonwalking.
He's
all
dead,
the
he's
way
dead.
back.
He's dead, he's dead.
Alright.
You gonna make it?
Oh, my pills are almost out.
Okay,
Oh!
Oh god, we're getting go. Come on, come on. Come on, Blaine. Charge your team!
Oh god!
Open the fuck up!
Where's the entry? Oh, here it is. Okay.
Go, go, go. Yes, go!
Yeah!
Yes!
Yes! Oh my god!
And only
Hours
a
later.
five. Every part.
Oh my god, dude. Look at the zombies walking on the back of the plane. That's awesome.
Look at the jockey. He's floating.
That jockey was actually inside the plane, was.
Jockey.
Like, I'm gonna hitch a ride with you guys. I don't want to.
Like, ah, yes.
Yes!
Did we all escape?
Yeah, we all got out.
Nice.
Thank God.
Nice.
Oh my god.
See these stats.
1 hour,
hour,
59.
2
You were a minute off.
7 times restart. Most times incapacitated.
I was chugging those pills, man. I didn't even see any adrenaline shots.
I
Like, dude.
Woot! Most melee kills.
second mode.
Wow.
Yeah, most hunter kills.
Most
Yeah,
boomers.
because they were too busy killing me.
And most smokers, hell yeah. Most jockeys, hell yeah.
Oh,
you
man.
guys asked all these stats. Almost.
Most common infected killed.
Took the least amount of damage.
Dang it.
What a
No surprise,
It was
all the
fire
special
incident.
infected.
fire incident.
74, god, Grunt.
By the most teammates, yeah, that's what I do.
Over
Check-
highest accuracy and least headshots.
3,748, dude.
Most headshots, baby. Hell yeah.
That's almost twice as many zombies as in our last one.
They were harmed in the making of this film. Well, I don't see
and
my
they were all,
paycheck, so.
and they were all in that freaking mall.
Ugh.
Alright, that's it for Dead Air. Thanks for watching. Go do something else.